How to change lock chat secret code on WhatsApp. First, click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Settings. After that, click on Privacy and scroll all the way down and find the chat lock. Click on that. After that, click on Unlock and Clear Lock Chats and click on Unlock and Clear. Now, go back to your inbox and long press the contact that you want to lock and click on the three dots and click on Lock Chat. After that, what you're going to do is click on Continue and click on OK. And after that, click on the three dots again and click on Chat Lock Settings and click on the secret code. After that, enter the secret code that you want to use and click on Next. After that, enter again your secret code and click on Done. And that's how you change the lock chat secret code on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.